The Florida apple snail is the largest native freshwater snail in America. She's expecting a brood of babies. But there's one obstacle. Apple snails must lay their eggs out of water, so they'll be out of reach of hungry fish. And that means going up. Patrolling the skies is an apple snail's nemesis. Many have already fallen victim. This carnage is the signature of a remarkable and deadly bird of prey. Each bird can eat more than a dozen snails a day. A tool evolved for shucking snails. And that's bad news if you're an apple snail that needs to lay eggs. A kite can spot a snail just under the water's surface from 30 feet up. Apple snails do have an escape plan. Back to square one. But kites don't hunt after dark. So nightfall gives an opportunity. She's in position. It's now or never. Before sunrise, she must lay dozens of eggs. Time-lapse photography reveals this wonder of nature. The Florida apple snail